The real cost of owning a Lamborghini. Owning an opulent vehicle such as a Lamborghini subtly communicates affluence and social standing. However, this privilege doesn't come quickly to everyone. For some individuals, acquiring a Lamborghini may represent the acquisition of another high-value asset, while for others, it signifies years of diligent labor and careful financial planning. Still, cars like the Lamborghini are truly automotive masterpieces, boasting a blend of style, power, and excitement that's hard to match. The pure thrill of taking this car for a spin remains just as captivating as ever. However, it's essential to recognize that these advantages come with a price tag far beyond what's initially listed. In this video, we will thoroughly explore the realities of Lamborghini ownership. To those aspiring to become Lamborghini owners, we encourage you to stay engaged until the conclusion of this video. Sticker price. The price tag attached to a Lamborghini serves as a critical factor in determining your decision to visit the dealership or abstain. On average, a basic Lamborghini comes with a price tag of approximately $230,000. However, if your aspirations lean towards the latest model, such as the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster, be prepared to allocate a substantial sum, even in the second-hand market, amounting to a staggering $900,000. Acquiring a Lamborghini is an alarming challenge for the majority of individuals. It's important to note that the initial purchase cost is merely the tip of the iceberg. Additional considerations surround insurance, maintenance, and repair expenses. Interest. Regarding the acquisition of a Lamborghini, the conventional approach involves an outright purchase. Nevertheless, dealerships offer alternative financing options, all of which entail interest charges. The extent of interest you incur hinges duration of the financing arrangement and your credit history. On various factors, including the vehicle's price, the duration of the financing arrangement, and your credit history. Regardless of the interest rate, wise planning is advisable given the nature of this luxury performance vehicle. Insurance. Securing suitable insurance is another crucial task before taking possession of your Lamborghini from the dealership. For prestigious brands like Lamborghini, insurance procurement typically presents minimal obstacles. However, specific sides require deliberation, such as collision coverage, safeguards against vandalism, determination of deductibles, and provisions for medical coverage in case of accidents. Irrespective of whether your automotive choice is opulent or not, selecting an appropriate insurance package can prove to be intricate. It is advisable to seek guidance from an expert in making this important decision. Routine maintenance and running costs. Upon successfully acquiring ownership of a Lamborghini, the responsibility of diligent maintenance and managing operational expenses comes to the forefront. Lamborghinis, designed similar to high-performance racing machines, offer an exhilarating driving experience. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that neglecting their upkeep can lead to a rapid failure in their performance and overall appeal. These luxurious vehicles exhibit a refined palate when it comes to fuel. They demand high-quality gasoline, typically designated with an octane rating of 93 or higher. However, due to their strong and thirsty engines, refueling with such high-grade gasoline can entail a substantial cost. Prospective owners must be prepared for this significant expense. For reference, a 2019 Lamborghini Aventador, on average, experiences an annual fuel cost of approximately $6,600, which is notably far from cost-effective. Continuing on, regular annual servicing is imperative to maintain the natural condition and appearance of your Lamborghini. Routine repairs may arise at any time throughout the year. The annual service expenditure typically ranges around $5,000 and depends on the specific model and required services. Furthermore, Lamborghini's tires command a notable expense, falling within the range of $1,500 to $2,000. Compounding this cost is the fact that these tires are constructed with a softer compound, rendering them less durable compared to conventional sedan tires, often failing to reach the 40,000 mile longevity threshold. In light of these considerations, wise financial planning is strongly advised before embarking on the substantial investment of a Lamborghini. Winter storage. If you've ever seen a Lamborghini in the cold winter, you'd be surprised at how well it handles the weather. But taking care of a car like a Lamborghini in severe winter conditions is crucial to keep it looking and performing at its best. That's where winter storage services come to the rescue. Numerous companies specialize in ensuring that your beloved car remains in pristine condition throughout the season. These services go beyond simply parking your car in a garage. They take every possible step to ensure your high-performance vehicle enjoys a cozy hibernation. Just like any other luxury accessory for your Lambo, these services come with a price tag. The cost varies depending on the level of care you desire. But as a rough estimate, you can expect to pay anywhere between $500 to $1,000 for these services. In summary, when it comes to caring for your Lamborghini during the winter, specialized winter storage services are your best bet to ensure your prized possession remains unharmed by the cold and ready to roar when the warmer days return. These services, while varying in cost, are an investment in preserving the beauty and performance of your high-end vehicle. Depreciation. Understanding the concept of depreciation. When it comes to owning a Lamborghini is related to tracking the unpredictable path of a star through the night sky. It can be a bit tricky, to say the least. One of the major financial considerations for Lamborghini owners is the phenomenon of depreciation. It's a financial black hole that can swallow up a significant portion of your investment. And it begins the moment your Lambo leaves the pristine confines of the showroom. Let's put some numbers to this celestial dance of financial loss. Imagine you've just purchased a brand new Lamborghini Aventador, a symbol of automotive perfection, with a price tag of $320,000. Sounds exhilarating, right? Fast forward 5 years and you might be in for a rude awakening. It's not uncommon for the Aventador to shed up to 31% of its value during this period, equating to a loss of almost $100,000. That's a substantial chunk of change to wave goodbye to. Now, if you were to opt for the sleek and seductive Hurricane under similar circumstances, brace yourself for an even more extreme depreciation roller coaster. Over the same 5-year span, it could plummet in value by 46%. Yes, you read that right. Almost half of its initial value gone in the blink of an eye. It matters if you have any intention of selling your beloved Lambo down the road. The stark reality of depreciation can land a crushing blow to your financial aspirations. Owning a Lamborghini, in essence, is like embarking on a thrilling roller coaster ride. A heart-pounding experience filled with exhilaration, but one that also features some seriously steep drops. So while the allure of a Lamborghini is undeniable, prospective owners must prepare themselves for the financial whirlwind that accompanies the ownership of these high-performance marvels. It's a journey that can be both fast and exciting, but it also comes with its share of financial twists and turns. In conclusion, acquiring a Lamborghini goes beyond its eye-watering initial purchase price. Prospective owners must be financially prepared to handle the substantial ongoing expenses associated with these high-performance vehicles, which primarily surrounds maintenance and depreciation. Firstly, Lamborghinis are not your typical daily drivers. They demand meticulous upkeep to ensure they perform at their best. Routine maintenance, specialized parts, and skilled technicians contribute significantly to the overall cost of ownership. Moreover, their resale value tends to depreciate rapidly, making them a long-term investment that may not retain its initial value. However, for those passionate about automotive excellence and the thrill of unparalleled speed, the exhilaration of driving a Lamborghini can be an extraordinary experience that justifies these expenses. The roar of the engine, the precision of the handling, and the sheer status of owning such a vehicle are priceless to some enthusiasts. So, while it's not a choice for the faint-hearted, the allure of a Lamborghini remains irresistible to many automobile authorities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future content.